Welcome to our roundup of the best charcoal grills available today. If you love the smoky flavor of charcoal grilled food and want a reliable grill that balances performance, durability, and convenience, you're in the right place. We've selected top-rated charcoal grills that stand out for their build quality, cooking capacity, and unique features. Whether you want a classic barrel-style grill, a modern digital charcoal system, or a versatile ceramic cooker, we'll break down everything you need to know to find your perfect match. Stick with us until the end, because you'll definitely want to see which model suits your cooking style best. Let's dive in. The first on the list is the Master Cook Charcoal Grill. This grill is a fantastic choice for anyone who wants a simple yet effective design for backyard cooking. Built with a heavy-duty steel body, it provides durability and stability during long grilling sessions. With 473 square inches of total cooking space, you have enough room to prepare multiple steaks, burgers, or even ribs at once. The porcelain enameled cooking grates are another big plus, helping to retain heat evenly while being easy to clean after use. One of the most user-friendly features is the adjustable charcoal pan. By raising or lowering it, you can easily control the heat intensity, whether you are searing meat or slow-cooking vegetables. The front access door makes it simple to add charcoal while cooking, keeping the process smooth and efficient. You'll also find a built-in thermometer on the lid for monitoring temperatures without guesswork. Overall, it delivers a solid performance at an affordable price, perfect for casual grillers who want a balance of function and simplicity. Next up is the Masterbuilt Gravity Series 1050. This grill redefines charcoal cooking with modern innovation. At first glance, it looks like a traditional grill, but it comes equipped with a digital control panel and Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing you to set and maintain precise temperatures with ease. The standout feature here is the gravity-fed charcoal hopper, which holds up to 10 pounds of lump charcoal or 16 pounds of briquettes. This design ensures continuous fuel feeding for hours, meaning less hassle refueling and more time enjoying your cookout. With a massive 1,050 square inches of cooking space, you can cook for a crowd without running out of room. Another highlight is its ability to reach 700 degrees Fahrenheit in just 15 minutes, making it excellent for both low and slow barbecue and high-heat searing. The cast iron grates lock in flavor, while the digital fan system regulates airflow for consistent cooking. Overall, this grill is perfect for tech-savvy cooks who want the flavor of charcoal combined with the convenience of digital precision. Next, we have the Royal Gourmet CC 1830V Barrel Charcoal Grill. This model is designed for those who love the traditional feel of a barrel-style grill with plenty of space for family gatherings. With a total cooking area of 823 square inches, it easily handles large amounts of food, from racks of ribs to burgers for a crowd. The offset smoker box adds a new level of versatility, letting you smoke meats slowly for that rich, wood-infused flavor. An adjustable charcoal pan ensures precise heat control, whether you're grilling directly or using indirect heat for slow cooking. The air vents allow better airflow, keeping the fire strong and consistent. Cleanup is also made easier with the removable ash pan, which saves time after long cooking sessions. While it may not have the high-tech features of premium models, its classic design delivers reliability and ease of use. Overall, it is a budget-friendly yet capable grill that gives you both grilling and smoking in one sturdy setup. Next, we have the Weber Performer Deluxe. Weber is a name trusted by grill enthusiasts, and the Performer Deluxe lives up to that reputation. At its core, it's built around the classic kettle grill design, but elevated with convenient extras. The grill provides 363 square inches of cooking space, making it suitable for small to medium cookouts. What sets it apart is the touch-and-go gas ignition system, which lights your charcoal with the push of a button, no lighter fluid required. This unique blend of gas and charcoal technology makes starting your grill hassle-free. The built-in work table offers prep space for sauces, plates, or tools, while the lid-mounted thermometer allows for easy heat monitoring. Another highlight is the one-touch cleaning system with a large removable ash catcher, simplifying post-grill cleanup. The overall build is sturdy, with premium materials designed for long-term use. Overall, it's an excellent choice for those who want the authentic taste of charcoal, but with the convenience of quick startup and easy cleanup. The last one on our list is the Kamado Joe Classic 2. This grill is for serious enthusiasts who want unmatched versatility. Crafted from high-quality ceramic, it retains heat exceptionally well and allows precise temperature control. With 406 square inches of cooking space, it is perfect for grilling, smoking, baking, and even roasting. The divide-and-conquer flexible cooking system lets you cook different foods at different temperatures simultaneously, offering unmatched creativity in your outdoor kitchen. Another key feature is the airlift hinge, which makes opening the heavy ceramic lid effortless. The control tower top vent ensures consistent airflow for accurate temperature management, whether you're cooking low and slow or searing steaks at high heat. Overall, this is a premium grill that offers professional-grade cooking results for those who want the ultimate charcoal experience. So that wraps up our list of the best charcoal grills. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy grilling!